Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are joining from. Do you know AI can now create cinematic videos without cameras, actors, or studios? Imagine creating cinematic videos without cameras, actors, studios, or expensive equipment. What once took days or weeks can now be done in minutes. And this week, AI video generation is about to take a massive leap forward. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI video generation? AI video generation is the ability to create moving, realistic, or cinematic videos using artificial intelligence based on text prompts, images, or reference inputs. Behind the scenes, these systems are powered by massive AI models trained on millions of video frames. They learn how objects move, how lighting behaves, how camera angles work, and even how emotions are expressed through motion. Instead of filming reality, AI simulates reality, frame by frame. For content creators, this changes everything. Traditionally, video creation requires planning, shooting, lighting, editing, and rendering, along with time, money, and technical skills. AI video flips that model. Now, creators can focus on ideas, storytelling, and creativity, while AI handles the execution. This is especially powerful for YouTubers, filmmakers, educators, advertisers, and indie creators who want cinematic visuals without cinematic budgets. And among the growing number of AI video platforms, one name that's getting serious attention right now is Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield isn't just another text-to-video tool. It's designed for creators who care about cinematic quality, motion control, and directed storytelling. Instead of random-looking clips, Higgsfield focuses on producing shots that actually feel intentional, like scenes from a film. What makes Higgsfield stand out is the level of control it offers. Creators can choose different AI models, motion styles, scene behaviors, and quality settings, all without needing advanced technical knowledge. This balance between simplicity and cinematic depth is why more creators are experimenting with Higgsfield for storytelling, promos, trailers, and short films.
Winter is coming.
L'hiver arrive. Se acerca el invierno.
Der Winter kommt.
Dòng tiền giàu lái le.
सर्दी आ रही है.
You see our culture from the outside, but to understand Russia, you must feel the winter, the history, the spirit of this place.
These videos were created using Higgsfield. Notice the smooth camera movement, the consistent lighting, and how scenes feel connected rather than random. These aren't just short clips. They feel like moments captured from a larger story. And the most impressive part? Every frame you're seeing here is generated entirely by AI. Now let me show you how easy it is to create a video using Higgsfield. With single prompt generating motion, visuals, and sound together. To launch the Higgsfield platform, open your preferred browser, go to Google Search, type Higgsfield.ai, and click on the first link in the search results. At the top of the page, you'll notice several options and submenus that help you navigate through the Higgsfield platform. These menus are designed to give you quick access to the different tools and features available. From here, click on the video option. This is where all video-related functionality is organized. Inside the video section, you'll find multiple choices depending on what you want to do. You can create a brand new video from scratch, edit an existing video, or explore different AI models that are available for video generation and enhancement. Now that we're familiar with the interface, let's move ahead and actually create a video using the Kling 2.6 audio model. The first step in this process is to provide the visual foundation for the video. To do that, we start by uploading the image that we want to transform into a realistic, dynamic scene. Go ahead and click on the Upload Image button. This allows you to browse through your system and select the image you'd like Kling to process. Once the image is uploaded, it becomes the base frame from which the AI generates motion, depth, and atmosphere, turning a static visual into a living video. Now that the image has been successfully uploaded, the next step is to guide the AI by providing an input prompt for the video creation. This prompt is where you describe how you want the scene to come alive, including the motion, mood, camera movement, or any visual details you'd like to see in the final output. By giving a clear and well-thought-out prompt, you help the model understand your creative intent, allowing it to generate a video that feels natural, realistic, and aligned with your vision. Now that you have a clear understanding of the platform's features and the steps involved in creating a realistic, lifelike video, it's time to put everything into action. Let us see how the process works in real time, and how easily static visuals can be transformed into dynamic scenes that truly feel alive. Upload the input image and allow a few moments for the file to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, you can proceed to the next step. Next, enter the prompt description as shown below. This is where you describe how you want the scene to move, feel, and evolve in the final video. Once the prompt is ready, make sure that audio generation is turned on and that the selected model is set to Kling 2.6, duration 10 seconds, aspect ratio auto. With everything in place, click the Generate button to start creating your video. And there you have it. The generated video feels realistic and full of life, with natural motion and immersive audio bringing the scene together. Click on the play button to preview the video, and when you're satisfied with the result, click the download option to save the video to your system. Now here's where things get really exciting. Everything you've seen so far is already impressive. But this is before the arrival of Kling 3.0. Kling 3.0 is one of the most anticipated AI video models right now, and it's expected to launch this week. Based on early signals, leaks, and creator discussions, Kling 3.0 aims to significantly improve realism, motion consistency, and cinematic coherence. This isn't just a version upgrade, it's a potential leap. So what's the difference between Kling 2.6 and Kling 3.0? Kling 2.6 already delivers solid motion and visuals, but it can still struggle with artifacts, scene continuity, and longer shots. Kling 3.0 is expected to bring smoother transitions, cleaner frames, better subject consistency, and more cinematic control. In short, less AI-looking video and more film-like results. Up until now, Kling 2.6 has been one of the most talked about AI video models for creators, mainly because it combined native audio with video generation, giving creators synchronized visuals and sound in one pass for the first time. It supports multi-voice tracks, text-to-video, and even reference-based animation, with consistent motion and lip sync. That was already a huge leap beyond earlier models which generated silent clips or needed external audio workflows. With 2.6, you could prompt a scene, get motion with natural expressions, and synchronize speech, all in one output. But Kling 3.0 isn't just another upgrade. It's being positioned as a next-generation unified creative engine, almost like having an AI director built into your video model. So let's look closely at what's actually new with Kling 3.0 compared to 2.6. Audio/visual synchronization and multi-shot storyboarding. First, Kling 3.0 goes beyond single clips. It introduces multi-shot storyboarding, meaning the model can plan a sequence of shots, shot reverse shot, multiple angles, automatic transitions, all in a single generation. That's a huge leap toward directed storytelling. Native audio enhanced. Kling 3.0 builds on 2.6's native audio but raises the bar. Voice, dialogue, ambient sound effects, all synthesized perfectly in sync with visuals naturally during generation. Extended duration and consistency. Kling 2.6 typically generates clips of a few seconds with solid continuity. Kling 3.0 expands that to up to 15 seconds natively, enabling much longer narrative moments without temporal drift or loss of detail. Cinematic physics and directorial logic. Another big difference is that Kling 3.0 incorporates advanced physics reasoning, fluid motion, gravity effects, and object interactions, making scenes feel more lifelike and intentional. Higher fidelity and 4K workflows. And while Kling 2.6 already produced impressive 1080p outputs, Kling 3.0 is expected to push toward 4K cinematic workflows, supporting ultra-high-def video right out of the model. AI-assisted editing and narrative control. Perhaps most game-changing, Kling 3.0 isn't just about generate and done. It's expected to include natural language editing. You can modify scenes through simple text commands after the generation, effectively refining story beats without traditional editing tools. So what does all this mean for you as a creator? With Kling 2.6, you could already produce rich, expressive short clips with synchronized sound, perfect for social content, narrative scenes, and dialogue moments. It brought AI video closer to production-ready workflows. But Kling 3.0 is poised to extend that, allowing longer narrative arcs, multi-shot storytelling, native audio integration, and AI-assisted editing all in one model. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's transformative. Instead of stitching together multiple clips or layering audio in post, you can imagine describing scene direction, camera choreography, character interactions, and mood transitions. And Kling 3.0 will interpret that into a coherent video. AI video creation is evolving at lightning speed, and Kling 3.0 might just be the turning point. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe now, because as soon as Kling 3.0 goes live on Higgsfield, I'll bring you the full demo, prompt walkthroughs, and real-world comparison tests.